It's time for work!
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 15th edition of the Vlerick HR Day.
Humans are pretty good actually in figuring out what's the next thing.
The baseline of the HR Day is HR practitioners meet HR Academy. And we think on a yearly basis it's good to confront those two parties with one another.
Fundamentally, we feel it's important that we can bring these elements together, share our knowledge and discover new things together.
Could you imagine letting a robot do a call to an employee?
We kick off our day with a large opening keynote, a congregation of the entire community coming together, and then the participants can select a session in the morning and a session in the afternoon, covering different elements, purely academic, purely from an expert perspective. We do workshops, and similarly in the afternoon they can make another selection.
We're going to ask you all to break an arrow. Do that.
If you look at the participants that we have at the HR Day, the vast majority is HR business partners, HR directors, HR managers, so people within the field of corporate HR, together with HR consultants and HR service providers on the one hand, and on the other hand, HR academics.
Who's caused it? The motivational speaker!
For me, I hope that participants, having followed Vlerick HR Day, can go back to their organizations and have impact. I want them to be able to reflect on the things that they've heard, perhaps conversations that they've had within the network. I want them to be able to challenge themselves and challenge their organizations as well.
Inspiring in the sense that you want to do tomorrow something different.
I think the most important one I learned today or the whole day is the fact that HR and digital transformation that is going ahead and coming in front of us, that the human aspect remains important.
I think we as HR professionals can really support the business. I don't like to be in the bottom list of the function that is seen of helping an organization with digitization. I feel proud. I do want to move up there. I think we all have a mission to move up the ladder and be a real catalyst.